Firstly, check supporting steelwork for position and tolerance before commencing. If satisfactory, carry out preparation work on sill trims and internal corner flashing etc., and ensure these are lined, leveled and sealed as specified. Install the liner sheets in tiers over part or all of the elevation, ensuring alignment and cover is maintained. Use sealed fillers where the liner is discontinuous. Also use sealant at end laps and side laps as specified to maintain airtightness and vapor control. Lie out the Instalock Plus spacer system on the floor and ensure brackets are positioned at specified centers and adjacent to liner troughs. The brackets can be pre-positioned by twisting the bracket so that the small hook starts to slide under the edge of the bar. With a slight push on the base then a twist, you'll feel a distinct click as the bracket slots into place. The end of the bar incorporates a 40mm spigot end for easy on-site connection to form a continuous level support. Install the Instalock Plus spacer system along the rail line ensuring level is maintained. Before installing the insulation, stick pins should be positioned to the liner face at mid-span, and then the insulation should be draped from the eaves and tucked over these and behind the horizontal spacer system. Each tier of insulation should be compressed tightly with the previous one to make certain there are no gaps. The external primary fasteners should be positioned as specified. Sealant is not required to the external laps. Side lap stitches are recommended at maximum 500mm centers to maintain the aesthetics and uniformity of the lap. Fit the external corner flashing to finish your elevation.